up, party people? So, our little sister Natalia has been playing mini sari-sari store here at home for the longest time. Siyempre, yung customers niya ay kami-kami lang dito sa bahay at pinapabayad niya pa din kami ng 5 pesos.
That's why we've thought about why not build Natalia's own sari-sari store.
An actual one. What do you think?
Open na!
Sarap ang lamig.
I don't like this. May prank ba?
Natalia!
What?
You're gonna join us with the vlog today.
So what? What will
Do you know what we're gonna do?
Nope.
You don't know?
Nope.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
What's something that you've been doing quite a lot recently?
My sari-sari store.
What else?
Playing with my toys.
What else?
I was selling halo-halo.
So today, what if we take you to the next level?
Next level!
Because today, we are gonna build your
Very own!
sari-sari store!
An actual one, Natalia, like a big one.
No way!
Are you ready for the challenge though?
Yeah.
Since you're gonna have a sari-sari store, you have to help us build it and do the groceries and everything. So, are you ready?
Yes, of it.
Hindi lang yan kasi bibigyan ka namin budget and then you'll be the one to budget it. And then ang point dito is you gotta spend less and earn more. Because that's how you do it in sari-sari store. Okay?
Real business. Let's go. Okay, so guys, dumating na po ang materials that we need to make Natalia's sari-sari store. Yes, maambon. Pero okay lang, rain or shine tayo dito. Mag-hello po kayo sa vlog. So yan, mga tao ni Ate Ginger. Shoutout Ate Ginger. Nagpagawa po kami ng parang wood na, yung mga sari-sari store. So they're gonna be helping us build the thing. I think it's gonna be pretty big. Not the usual toy size, yung kagaya ng mga ginagawa ni Natalia. Very excited.
Alright, we're about to show Natalia what's been cooking outside. Okay, go!
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
What do you think?
Wow.
It's a big one.
I thought it was small.
Ano ba ginagawa ko ya? Dapat yun, LCD sari-sari store. Masaya magpintura para makulayan ang iyong buhay. Good job! Alright.
Habang si Kuya nag-help dun sa bahay, kami, gagawin na namin yung second step which is
Grocery.
grocery! Okay, Natalia, for your budget, it's 3,000 pesos. So, pagkasyahin mo yung 3,000 pesos sa mga bibilin mo. Okay? Go!
Ding Dong, 19.70 ulit.
2.
Ito rin, 19.70.
Oh, stick off. Yan. Stick off.
Wow, kinuha niya yung malaki. So, nakailan ka na?
304.85. How much ba yung movie? Napapawis ako.
Ano ito, candy?
Candy! Yan o. My favorite, Choco Choco. Bubble gum.
Yaki tsaka pintura, mga binibili ko sa tindahan.
Yes!
Yung yaki, ito yung sour, tas yung pero nagkukulay din siya, tas yung pintura, hindi siya sour, pero nagpe-paint din siya sa tongue.
That's my favorite.
Magkano?
So the current progress right now is as you can see there, we're almost there, patapos na. Sila niya napabalik na rin. Galing, galing. Ganda ng pagagawa nila, guys.
Okay guys, so naka 1,025 na si Natalia. Puro chips na to tsaka candies, kaya punta na tayo sa mga drinks.
So, syempre, hindi mawawala yung zesto. Sobrang sarap nito, lalo na nung bata ako. Ewan ko ngayon kung masarap pa rin. So, syempre,
Ang
apple.
favorite kong zesto yung mango.
Ako yung apple. Yuck!
Yuck!
84.95. Magkalkyo ka na lang
Jungle
dun.
juice.
Oh my God! Hello!
Hinahanap niyo po yung cheese curls.
Ay, ikaw ba? Uy!
Sana po.
Hanap.
Yung camera po. Hinahanap niyo yung cheese curls. Sabi ko, ito
Ay,
po.
ikaw, tinulungan mo ako. Tinulungan mo si Lola. Salamat, Apo.
Thank you po.
Wait talaga nila. Thank you po. Naman ninyo sa personal. Hi sa vlog. Hello.
So guys, we're gonna be checking out these chips already, and now
So we pay this first. Okay, so Natalia's store is officially done!
Lalagay na lang natin ang mga pinamili nila sa grocery. So, ang traditional na sari-sari store is merong steel matting, and then wood, and then the signage itself. Siyempre, merong butas kung saan na magbabayad.
so big.
Now what do you do?
We're gonna put the food and candy over here.
Let's go.
Chocolate.
Ito madadala yung mga sabit-sabit.
Wala, sobrang legit. I've never thought in my life I would be doing this. In our house, a sari-sari store.
Alright, so since gabi na, we're not gonna be able to open the sari-sari store right now, and we're just gonna open tomorrow instead.
Exactly.
So bukas mag-i-invite kami ng mga guests para bumili sa sari-sari store ni Natalia. Yeah, we can't wait. Magdadagdag pa ng mga onting paninda. Pero
But it's pretty much it. So,
See you tomorrow, guys. Close mo na kami.
alright, so it is the next day and we are ready to open the sari-sari store.
We're open!
Okay, so since ang goal sa sari-sari store is kumita, ilalagyan natin ng presyo yung mga bawat item dito. Talia, do the honors. Okay, so we basically computed it with the original price, tapos dinagdagan na namin ng 1 or 2 pesos. So, go Talia. So, lahat na 2 pesos. Okay na yan, dito ka na. Piatos, 18. Patata, 8. Ringdi. I love this, by the way. These chips are my favorite. My mom used to get me this when I was like Natalia's age, like a big one.
Milo!
10. Yan, Milo. If you know, you know. Me and my brother was on the commercial on Milo before with Kuya James Red. And then everything here as well is 2 pesos. So dati 1 peso isa, but now we're gonna make it 3 pesos for 2 pieces.
classic na bubblegum, yaki. Pag kinain mo to, aasim yung mukha mo. Pakita mo yung asim mo na mukha. Okay, kung merong yaki, meron din tayong patentero. Ay, pintura. Frutos. Yan, classic candy yan ng bata kami. Tsaka, choknut. Latops. Yan, mga classic yan. Itong beef fresh din. Itong Hansel yan, kilalang kilala ko to ng bata ko kasi binabaon ko to. Then we have some drinks over here. Zesto. So, yung presyo nito is, magkano to, Talia? 12 pesos.
Juicy lemon, Sprite, RC, and root beer. 10 pesos each.
Meron rin tayo dito pasit canton, 12 pesos ito. Sa ating dilata, meron lang tayong tuna. 45 isa.
So for the evap, it's 42 pesos. And for the classic evap, it's 35 pesos. For the condensed milk, it's 87 pesos. Tapos syempre, meron tayong stick o, di mawawala sa tindahan, 2 pesos each. Pero 5 pesos pag tatlo kukunin mo. Tapos, isang piatos. Plastic po o bote? Bote na lang po.
18 to 9 to. Where's my calculator?
18 plus 9 equals
27.
plus 10.
Plus 10. 37.
First customer, 500. Ano yan?
Para lang sa umaga.
How much is her change?
13 pesos.
Thank you po.
So, one customer is done.
Okay guys, since wala pa masyado, sila muna bibili para ma-practice ni Nat.
Ano po?
Isa pong zesto mango
Sige po.
at Saka nachos and fries.
Wala kaming ganun.
Wala. So, yan muna. Albayagad lang.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sinili.
Lili po.
Ano po?
May sisig po ba kayo dito?
Mga chips lang to, be.
Isang RC din.
Ay,
Isang RC. Ba't naman po ang sungit ng tindera? Nagkakaroon lang po ako. Tapos, magkano po sa tattoos?
2 pesos po.
2 pesos isa.
Baka mag-ano? Di 20.
Bayad po.
Treasure 30 pesos change po.
Pabili po.
Ano po?
Grabe to si Tindera. Yun na iniinom yung mga paninda niya. Isa pong root beer na RC. Magkano po yun?
10 pesos.
Ay, gusto ko yung dragon seed po. Magkano?
Ito? Dalawa.
Tatlo po. Pag bumili po ba ng pancit canton, luto na po?
Hindi po.
Tapos, ay, chocnut na lang. Magkano sa chocnut? Pwede po pauna na po ng RC, medyo inuuhaw na po.
Sige po.
Eh, pa-plastic po.
Uy, baka maghulog. Ganun ba?
Yan, sige, go. Boost mo.
Boost mo, go. Ayan. Thank you po. Wow. Classic. Masarap at lamig. Pag suki po ba may may discount?
Wala po.
Ay. Bilis sumagot. Thank you.
Butterfruit nga sa isang coke.
RC po, no?
Apo. Lemon na sa akin.
18 pesos. 18.
80 pa lang. 82.
Thank you. Cheese to pa.
Anong flavor po?
Ito na lang. Magkano yung lemon?
Lemon 10, tapos ito 12. So, 22. 22 po. Thank you po.
30.
Ay, sakto.
Let's go, girls.
Thank you.
Ate Shea, hindi pwede mag-glitter.
I know.
Wag mo na mag-live. I-throw mo na naman to. Ngayon.
Na yun?
Okay guys, so as of now, the situation we have right now is wala masyado dumadaan. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? It's the thunder. It's giving rain. It's kumukulimlim na, and feeling ko daw mamaya madami dadaan. So tingnan natin. We're just crossing our fingers right now. Pero magantay lang tayo. We're vibing, we're chilling.
Kuya Guard, bilhin na kayo po! Ito?
8 pesos po to.
Kuya Neil! Can I get the
wow.
Alam, walang laman. Pabila ko ng patata. 5 para masaya. Kailangan may panulang. Bibila ko ng zest.
Kuha na lang straw dito.
Bali, ano na natin?
Here's your change, 62 pesos.
Thank you. Saan yung dalawang patata ko?
Ito patata.
Ayun. Yan. Thank you.
Time check, it is 3:51 and it's raining now. So we'll have to wait until it stops and then we go back to the sari-sari business.
And then, but I have my break. So I'll see you guys later. Moby? Ito po. Ano pa?
Tsaka ano po, isang Sprite.
Sprite. Plastic or bottle? Plastic?
Opo.
Ito po. Sorry po for bayan.
Okay, thank you.
Wow! Natalia Sari Sari Store.
Ay, may stick! Oh! Gusto ko ng stick! Papakyawin niya na lahat for Natalia.
Do you accept Gcash?
No.
Do you have change?
Yes.
Ang dami masyado nun.
Kaya ko yun ubusin.
Ate, let me. Go na. 60 pieces.
Masarap din yan. Loaded. Kaya rin.
Puro para sa'yo lang yung bibilin eh.
Ay, ito na lang choco-choco.
Sige, sige.
Thank
Dami
you.
mong binili. OA ka. Pero naalala ko ng bata ako, ganito talaga. Wow, childhood.
Masarap yan yung ginaganto yung choco-choco dito.
Wow. Eh, marami kang customer.
Hoy!
Lako po ayun.
Kami yung Lucky Charm. Lucky Charm! Dami!
Ubusin mo
Saya.
to.
Ubusin ko talaga.
Parang kailangan nyo panulak.
Ay, tama! Tama!
May drinks pa kayo?
Kayo?
Ano?
RC Cola! Very
Classic?
very classic. RC Cola.
Cola.
Thank you! Yes, guys. Sarap.
Thank you!
Thank you, Natalia!
Rans, Kyle. Bye-bye. You're just my neighbor. I live there sa condo. RC po. Tsaka po loaded. Ding dong, ding dong. Bali tatlo na pong RC.
Isang RC, isang loaded, isang 47.
Ito po yung isa.
Thank you. Pwede pong utang.
Hindi po, bawal po.
RC po. Magkano?
Thank you. Isang Nova, isang roller coaster, tsaka Super Crunch. Tsaka isang Milo.
74.
Straight sa akin.
Medyo dumadami-dami na yung bumibili.
Yung soft drinks po kayo dyan. Sige, pabili. Root beer, ayan. Sige, yan. Isa. Magkano? La. Oh, ayan.
Wait lang po. Plastic or bottle?
Plastic. Wow.
Give me the plastic. I'm a pro.
Siyempre, batang-bata pa rin. Wow.
Okay, move the plastic. Yeah, I told you to move.
Classic.
Nostalgic.
Yeah.
Pagbili, may plywood.
Huh?
Plywood.
Dos lang sa
Gusto ko ng Hansel. Magkano ba lahat ng paninda nyo rito? 3,000. 3,000? Sige, yan muna. Hansel muna. Credit card po ako magbabayad.
Cash lang po.
Cash lang. Kailan pa ito nag-open?
Kanina lang po.
Guys, by the way, keep from Black Cookies.
Hello. Can I stay? Can I tambay here? Alam niyo ba ginagawa rito?
Ano?
Nagiging sesto income.
Eh? Hindi ko alam yun Wala,
Sesto income.
Perfect.
How are you, darling?
We're good po. How are you?
Oh, you know what? You guys are so famous.
Oh, not really.
Yeah, all my students know you guys.
Oh, really?
Anong gusto niyo
You have
po?
soft drinks, darling? You have root beer?
Root beer, yeah.
You do? You're kidding. Oh, thank you, darling. You know what? Nag-deposit ba ito?
Yep.
Good. I think it's a good idea.
Ay, plastic or bottle?
Sweetheart, ito na.
Bottle.
You get deposit, darling.
Do you want plastic?
No, darling. No, straw.
Ano po?
Remember the environment? Thank you.
Thank you po.
You guys are so famous talaga. Bye-bye. See you.
Time check, it's 6:43 p.m. in the evening, and as you know, all the sari-sari stores are usually open hanggang gabi. So we're still open, still waiting for customers and more customers. So Talia, how is it?
So good. I'm getting used to it.
So she's been working for 5 hours now. How does it feel?
Hard working.
You ready for more customers?
Yes!
Okay, we'll wait. Magbilan po!
Kaso mukhang mahal lahat to.
Oo nga, may Alaska.
Kala ko mura lang aabutin yan.
Do shopping, hola.
Ito? No, ito? No, yeah.
Lahatin mo na, anak.
It can't fit in all one part.
Ang liit daw kasi nung kayo ni Natalia.
Bakit?
Go.
I want all of this.
Natalia,
Kailangan mo na isupot yan.
I want all of this.
May plastic ba kayong malaki?
Wala.
O, yun
Give me all
na.
of this. May prank ba? Over 10k to.
Over 10K. Ay, mababa daw, sabi ni Owie.
Best friend ka niya, susupport siya sa'yo.
Siguro wala akong ano.
Ayaw mo yun, di ka na mapapagod, Natalia.
Are you
I
guys
want
lying? No, I want all.
Ayaw niya maniwala, oh.
Go na! Pag nakasupot mo yan, pwede na yan, iuwi.
That's the goal, to get everything sold so that you have many money to buy pa.
Yes! Tama si Ate Niana.
Nagulat siya! Ginupscare mo naman! You can buy for your sunshine
Is
store
this
again.
set it up?
No! Nagulat ka din ako eh.
You sell para you earn money, right?
Yes.
But I don't want to grocery shop again.
They will grocery shop for you.
Deal or no deal?
Oh, deal or no deal?
No deal.
Oh my god, if I were to decide, I'll let them buy it and I'll buy even more chips.
Ano gagawin mo sa lahat ng to?
I'm gonna give it to children.
Three children? Wow,
Ah, pamimigay mo sa street children.
I'll give you all of this.
Ayun daw.
Literal half na ganon? Ano?
Pag ganon or pag ganito, saan yung sa amin dito? Sa'yo yung doon.
Wait lang, may pambayad ka ba?
Kay Daddy.
May pambayad.
So kasalukuyan, pinakyaw na po nila Owie, ni Julie, tsaka ni Ola yung paninda.
Ano gagawin mo sa pinamili mo?
Mag-ingan kita sa picture.
The total of Ola is... How much? 2,865!
2,800 daw. O, bayaran mo na.
Bayaran mo na.
Daddy.
Wait lang, you count 3 down, 1, 2, 3, count ka. Hindi lahat yan anak ha?
Lugi tayo sa'yo, anak. Ay, bilangin mo. Bilangin mo na, if 3.
1, 2, 3. Anong 3?
Wow. Hey!
Transaction success.
Success! Okay, dahil dyan, madami na siya nabenta. Close na yung store ni Nel! Switch mo ng close. Close na yung store.
So Natalia, how's the experience for you?
Hardworking.
Hardworking, you were stressed all day?
Why?
The compute and waiting for that.
Waiting for customers.
Sila, Ola wanted to buy everything, so why did you decide not to let her buy everything?
Because I want to sell it tomorrow pa.
She wants to continue selling.
You want to continue selling, and if you sell everything, you have nothing na you need to buy again. I see. This time, real people, and it's a huge store. So how's it?
I'm happy for the people who came here. And I hope they're happy too. That's why I'm having fun.
Nice.
Perfect.
Alright, so it was nice to see Natalia being able to like sell actual products and have an actual sari-sari store.
Versus dun sa ginagawa niya sa bahay inside, which is yung maliit lang, yung parang laro-laro lang.
Yes. So at least ngayon na-experience niya yung kung paano talaga magbenta ng sa totoong buhay.
It's nice to teach them young.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the vlog I guess. So Natalia, did you have fun?
Yes!
Alright! See you!
Bye mga suki!
Ano ba ito na darama? Sabihin mo, oh shucks.
Oh shucks.
Ano ba ito na darama?
Bakit?
Ayaw maniwala.
We are officially closed. Bye-bye po.